Well, here we are, cold Sunday day. What time is it? 9:05. Going down to see Oggy, going out for a little ride. I can't see it being far today because it is cold. Got my heated grips on, my winter gloves. But yeah, it is not a very nice day.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Where's the indicator? Or is it somewhere in front of you? No, no indication. You shit ass. I put it on super view and all today, the camera. Should have a wider angle. I always thought I had it on super view. Unless I had it on and I turned it off because I didn't like it. I only noticed last night. So we'll have to see what this is like. Whether I'm keeping it or knocking it back to just wide. Decided I'm not getting another bike this year now. I need another computer, so I'm going to spend on that. Keep this for at least another year. I'm going to just try and make it a bit comfier for touring. I'm going to get Superfly Og, fit me some bar risers on it. It's in for a service on Friday. Got the day off work, which is nice. Get some bar risers fitted on it. And I don't know, just see what else I can do to make it a bit more comfortable. It is comfortable up to about, I'd say, probably 100 odd miles, 2 hours riding basically, and then I start aching a bit. But yeah, we have done all days on it. But fucking hell, I've been like a fucking 90-year-old man when I get off it. Nice cock, beautiful. Oh god, yeah, I'm going to be sniffing a lot today. It is cold. Just feel, I mean, these jeans, these are the dragging jeans. Proper thick, they're lined at the top like shorts and that Kevlar and that, and they're proper thick, but even at the top I can feel the cold coming through now, and that's the first time for these and all. Old dickhead here's never rode in weather like it. It's not this cold. Oh yeah, it's lovely. Absolutely marvellous. I'm 15 minutes bloody early, aren't I? Told him 1:30. And you, not 40 minutes early like our og was to that mate. Very prompt us Wildings, we really are. Thingy, you know, on my GoPro. Watching shit, I watch shit on YouTube, I do, and I think, well, I'll go on, I'll try that. If it's for today's recording, it'll probably gutted. Just dropped the light, I think it's set or something on 16 max, 16,000 max, and it's set to 800 now. So we'll see if it makes any difference. I was going to try 4K today. I might try that next time. But it's only 30 frames to give me the same recording time, which I think will be alright anyway, to be honest. Well, here we are, on our way to J&S. Me and Oggy is behind. We've got to pair Cardo up when we get up here, because he's unpaired somehow. We can't remember how to do it, so we're going to have to YouTube it. The sun's come out, so it's a bit warmer now, which is nice. Nice little hot chocolate. I don't know whether I have a hot chocolate. It's nice from here. Might go for a cappuccino. Not bad. Can't hear me. It's beautiful. Not bad. Not bad. Hey, not bad. How long you been in Obed, dog? Do you know? Don't move if it's been all your life. No. Thought so. Here we are, LJ&S coffee stop. Oh, I thought that was going to be a bad day then. I thought Mr. Paliki man was going to get me then. Oh, big bump. Do what? I'm disabled though. What? We can go away, can't we? We can go here on this end, can't we? Let's go here. Where we are now. Who gives a fuck? Cars can get past, can't they? See that copper behind us? From the lights. He was behind us at the lights. I thought he was going to pull us. So I slowed right down, expecting him pull me. A cop bike it was behind us. Yeah, I thought, I said, oh fuck me, we're going to get pulled here. But then I looked again and he'd gone. He must have turned off fast. But yeah, shit it. I thought we were definitely pulled then.
Probably got his evidence.
A few moments later.
For fuck's sake. Honestly, not got my key out or put my phone in. Oh god, I'll get started. Oh, it started again. Don't need it, just a drink. Oh god, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's for Dutton there, that's where I used to work. Old Marley down here. Where are you turning? Fucking hell, I'm cold. Let me just turn these grips on again hard. They need going up high. Oh, I can feel the heat of that sun. Beautiful. Fucking roads are shit, mate. Oh, I feel them heated grips coming on. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, but you go a bit over the top cleaning a bike, don't you? Whereas I don't mind a quick soak down, quick rinse off, and that's it, done. As long as the most of the shit's off, I'm happy. You propagate your little dirty, grubby little hands in there, dog. Oh, like a little sex pest. Oh, I love that exhaust. I'll clean that. Oh, I love that. That jug crisp. I remember going there and eating hedgehog flavoured crisp when I was a kid. Yeah. It must have been, yeah. Yeah, we had hedgehog flavoured crisps. Keep checking your little indicator for you, Hog. No one get in front, no? Come on, Hog. Be in front, mate. Bit of oggy action. There he is, oggy action. smell of shit, isn't there? That's bad, that is. You've not peed yourself, have you, Oggy? No. Oh god, that's bad. Fucking hell. What would you say it smells of, that? That's... oh, I don't know. It's not human shit, that's for sure. It smells almost like shit with sour milk mixed in with it, doesn't it? Oh, that's bad. Yeah, it's got a coat matching your bike. Take your shit up, mate. Well done. Thought I could smell tweed then, Og. Did you? Oh, we've got a nose. We won't get hired by the police, we do. Do you call at Starbucks, have another brew? And a piss if we need one. Just want to see where the fucking cloud's heading, Og. Seems to be following us a bit, doesn't it? Wherever we go.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I noticed when I went toilet in there, fucking hell, my little knob end was freezing. Get more fucking sense anyway, Og. Very blue, isn't she? That's my life at the moment, eating salads and shit. But I've got to lose some weight. And gym never worked out for me. Joined for a month, got a bargain, $9.99 for the month, never went once, and then cancelled it. The thought was there, Og. I was just thinking when we went fucking buy your bike from up here, and I took it for a test run. Totally missed second gear, wonder if they heard it. Fucking revving his bollocks off. Going to go have a ride up by Travis, see what the old Travis is like now it's been closed and that, see if there's out there. Oh, fuck me, they ripped all everything down there, haven't they? I've had some time slacking here, Og. Let's just get a bit of that on my mirror indicator. You fucking been pulled up and FaceTimed, mate. I've got you again. That's what happens. That's what fucking happens, mate. Caught him again. Get over there on your bike, on that ramp. I'll film you. Fucking love that, I would. So that's not a bad smell of shit, that, Og. That's like country shit, innit? Shows your badger. Oh, there it is. Simplify, Og. You see that, Dad? Do you see that? Oh, you fucking dickhead. I thought he was going then. Yeah, get back in, mate. Get back in, mate. There it is, Hug. Simply Jim. £10 a month, never lost fuck all, mate. Never even parked on car park. Fucking bell-end bikers. Honestly, I'm hoping he'll go down a fucking cattle grid or something. He's fucking doing it now, the fucking bell-end. I hope he's fucking... No, I can't say it. But I hope evil stuff on him. His little fucking tight arse out. Fucking arseholes. No wonder nobody likes cyclists. Staying behind him looking at his arse. I'll shame him. Arse like that.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
I think I heard him say that bike's better. Oh, fucking beautiful. The rider's shite.